good morning. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'm doing a vlog today. I'm going to clean the house and then I'm going to do some errands. I don't get to work today. This is my vlog for today. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Bed is a mess, so I am going to fix it. That's the first thing you do in the morning. I've learned it from someone that if you fix your bed, your day is going to be great. Shut up. Anyways, let's do it.
Finally guys, I made my bed there. Finish off. Next thing is I'm going to clean, but I don't know what to eat. I'm hungry. So I'm going to eat and eat with me.
Guys, so I finally had my breakfast and now it's time to fix this area. Look at that, it's a mess over there. Everything is just mixed up. So I need to fix this area and probably next will be this. I need to fix my clothes. It's a mess also, a little bit mess.
And that's it. I think I'm gonna go out. I was gonna find something to, because I'm going to Bali soon and all this, so I'm gonna buy some outfits. So you guys can meet me also later. But for now, I'm gonna fix this one and the situation over here. I need to wash some dishes. So that's it.
Look at this, guys. It's so beautiful. Mike got this for me. Kuan siya, jewelry box here in Kuan from Vietnam. So I'm trying to fix all my abubots, you know, the earrings and everything. Okay, it's everywhere.
Everywhere. Finally, we've fixed the situation.
Arrange na siya. Okay na siya tanawang. Hindi na siya gubot kayo. Next thing we're going to do is hugas the plato.
Hey, I'm finally done and
This is mine and my sister's closet. Siya. So kailangan ako siya i-fix yung mga gubot siya gamay no. Yan, nakita no. And we have our laundry over here. Tada! Sorry guys. It's a mess. So, it's a mess. Here's our bags and some of it are ipang sanukad ako ng pawalay space. So, the bags first. This one, I got this one from Korea, from a friend. Yung binigyan ako. Ngayon, this one is from here. This is a really nice, cute bag. Nice ko siya, no? This one is fun. Aldo bag. I got it for myself. Fun. Present ako sa kong pagaling. Sarap because I work so hard. And kaya I got this from SM sa Cebu. Keeps siya kayo sling and choo-choo. There. I love bags. I have like so many bags in the Philippines. I don't have it here. This one is also nice, but very bulat ko siya. This is from Korea also. I got this in Korea. And what else? This pouch is given to me by Mama ni Mike. Yang Wado. And this is a really cute one. I got this in Carbon sa Cebu. I got this in Cebu, Carbon. This Hello Kitty is not mine. Kamay pa rin, pero this is for my sister, I guess. She loves Hello Kitty so much. And it's fun. Para laptop. Sa laptop na ko. It's nice. This pouch. Charot. Nagdali sa Korea. Siguro ako nakuha. Korea ako siguro na. Also, it's a cute one. It's a gift from my student. Nice siya, no? Like this. That. So, one of my nicest bag too. Stop na ko collective bag kay murag. Di siya practical. Sabihin ko bag sa Pinas niya. Karon, wala na ko mada. I can bring it everywhere. And nakadaot ko siya. So, how to fix.
now let's talk about kuan, mga sinina. This one is from H&M. Both of this is from H&M. I love H&M. Kabak mo nga nung ganahan ko H&M because it lasts like forever. Like this top, I had it for years, 5 years. This one is a new one, the red one. So cute. See? So I love H&M kay Mudugay.
Ayaw kasi niya, wait. This is mine. This one I got is from Cambodia. Ipalit ni Mike para nako. Charot. And most of it is mine. This is from Korea also. H&M. This is from here. Nice ka na siyang dress. Ngayon, what else? This is H&M. This is from here. It's a really cute yellow flowery choo-choo na jumpsuit siya. This is a nice one also. I love green. So, green na dress. Backless na siya. Nakita niyo ang back. And, just like what I'm saying, okay naman na pala ito branded. Bahalag dili. Kanang di good mahal kayo. Kanang ma-afford lang mo ba? Okay naman. Gamit mo siya 5 years, 10 years. Pagano yung sahay. This is not mine. This is from American. Pero I like it because it's very sheer. Pwede siya pang beach. O pwede siya mag-crop top ka din. Yung sa kapawad na hani. I'm very fashionista. I like to look presentable. So, top naman kung palit-palit. Kaya siya practical. Kaya tiguang mata ka lang at mag-ipon. Kaya in case of dalagang Filipina ta, dalagang gurang. So, at least natay ipon, natay savings. It's important. Kung kaya akong vlog, no, this vlog is so raw. Because I just thought of it like, okay, mag-vlog ko. And then now, I'm vlogging about cleaning the house. Tapos, nag-arrange akong closet. I'll show you later how it looks like after I arrange everything.
Alright, finally done. Yay! Alright guys, finally I'm done with my job for today. Ta-da! It's all arranged. So, alright, thank you so much for watching everyone. Adios! I was supposed to vlog when I went out, but I forgot. So, that's it. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share, whatever, comment.